Well, Seattle's Fred Hutch is taking center stage as it works to test multiple COVID-19 vaccines. In tonight's Fact or Fiction, KIRO 7's Matthew Smith takes a look at how well these vaccines need to work as we separate fact from fiction.
We've got added attention to vaccine trials right now, especially since Fred Hutch is going to take a lead role moving forward. Now, if you haven't been keeping an eye on this, Fred Hutch will be coordinating large-scale clinical trials for Phase 3. So let's take a closer look at what matters right now. Fact or fiction? A vaccine needs to be 100% effective. That's fiction. The folks at Fred Hutch say the end result needs to be better than 50%, though they'll be aiming for something that's even more effective.
Obviously, we're targeting greater than that. We're hoping that we'll hit 70, 80, 90% efficacy. And the critical thing about a randomized controlled trial is that we'll be able to precisely estimate that vaccine efficacy.
Next up, fact or fiction? Vaccine trials will only be testing younger patients. That's fiction. While young people have less risk of severe illness, these studies have to look at how they will affect our entire population. That includes the elderly and at-risk patients too. That means that the work that they're doing at Fred Hutch to look at multiple vaccines in the coming months will involve clinical trial participants, including those over the age of 65. Finally, fact or fiction? This process is moving faster than usual. Fact. I know it doesn't always seem like it, but this development is very fast. As we saw this week, Novavax is ramping up production of its vaccine in hopes that it's approved. That doesn't mean you'll get to take it right away. They're gambling this will work. And if it doesn't, they'll have to trash all that vaccine that they're making. But it's a key reminder, everything about this process is being done quickly to help react to this global pandemic. Matthew Smith, KIRO 7 News.